Hey guys, I'm in my living room and you can probably not hear me because my dog and the rain outside. I wanted to show you what it looks like.
Want me to open the door?
It is like very bad.
Want me to open the door?
No. No, it's raining on so much. It is like raining really bad, as you guys can see. I'm going to show you guys in a video here. Oh, I feel the rain! I feel it! Ah! We actually have tomatoes in my front yard. Got it all wet. Got my sewing machine wet. It's all just coming in. The floor is wet. Everything. This is the biggest rain that we had in the whole entire year. I bet. It never got that wild. So I'm gonna go on the inside bedroom now. You guys get to see like a little tour. Okay, so none of you guys have this here, but about my cousin was asking me about my Baltimore. I got my dog. What it looks like, and so I'm going to show you guys how to clean it up. You guys can't really see that now. You see, I have a drooling dog right there, my cousin. So, there it is. It's just taped to the wall. They have little things on here, the little sticky thing. I don't saw lighting. This one's just held on by that sticky stuff. This is held on by tape too. So, right now it says Julie here Monday and Friday. 7:30 through 8:30 doctors Thursday at 9 o'clock and gymnastics at 10 o'clock. Pet talent show Sunday 1 through 3. So yeah. And so then I have their bowling stuff somewhere in here, and then I have the stuffed animal that's here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Hope you guys like that footage of the rain, because that was like really pretty loud. Got it at the good time, but now it's just for a week. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.